Who invented the first steam railway locomotive? A. James Watt. B. George Stephenson. C. Thomas Edison. D. Wright brothers. Correct answer is B. George Stephenson is known as the father of railways for his pioneering work in steam locomotives, rocket